In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a file into Smartsheet. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or simply need to centralize your project management efforts, importing into Smartsheet is both simple and efficient. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure that everything goes smoothly. First, you'll start by finding the Plot Create button, which is typically located at the top left corner of your Smartsheet interface. Clicking this button will open up a range of options for you. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the Import feature. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for Import and select it. This is your gateway to bringing your existing data into Smartsheet. Now that you're in the Import section, you need to decide which type of file you want to import. Smartsheet supports several formats, so whether your data is in Excel, Google Sheets, CSV, Microsoft Project, or Microsoft Planner, you're covered. In most cases, you'll likely be dealing with Excel, .xls or .xlsx or CSV.csv files, but rest assured that Smartsheet makes it equally seamless to import from Google Sheets or other Microsoft tools like Project and Planner. Once you've identified the file type, you'll need to either upload the file from your computer or connect your Google account if you're importing from Google Sheets. For those using a PC, you'll want to navigate your File Explorer and pick the file you have in mind. If it's a Google Sheet you're working with, you'll need to connect your Google account, which is quick and secure, ensuring a smooth transition of your data. With your file selected, Smartsheet goes to work, importing your data into a brand new sheet. What's great about Smartsheet is that it endeavors to preserve the structure of your original data as closely as possible. This means that all your columns, rows, and basic formatting should transition over without much hassle. After the import process is complete, it's important to go through the imported sheet to check for accuracy. Skim through to ensure that your data is in the correct columns and rows, and that everything matches the original format. This quick review can help you catch any discrepancies early on, making it easier to resolve them quickly. Finally, don't forget to save your work. It's always a good practice to save the imported sheet once you're satisfied that everything looks in order. With all that done, you're all set. You're now ready to continue managing your projects more effectively within Smartsheet. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident about importing files into Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy managing!